Welcome to a brand new video. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Because today, we're going on an epic journey together. Oh, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited for what's coming. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's dive right in. You ready? Let's go. The engineers, creators, destroyers, and the enigma of Prometheus, the engineers, also known as the space jockeys, are one of the most fascinating and enigmatic species in the Alien and Prometheus universe. These towering, pale-skinned beings are depicted as the ancient architects of life, yet they also harbour a dark and destructive side. Their role in Prometheus raises profound questions about creation, destruction, and the nature of existence itself. Who are the engineers? What were their intentions for humanity, and why did they turn against their own creations? Let's dive deep into the lore of these mysterious beings. Chapter 1. The Engineers' First Appearance. The Engineers were first introduced in the original Alien, 1979, as the Space Jockey, a mysterious fossilized creature found aboard a derelict spacecraft. This brief but iconic appearance left audiences with countless questions. Who was this giant being? What was its connection to the Xenomorph eggs? Prometheus, 2012, sought to answer these questions by exploring the origins of the Engineers and their relationship to humanity. Chapter 2. The Engineers as creators in Prometheus. The Engineers are revealed as the creators of humanity. Obvious of humanity. The film opens with a lone engineer on a primordial Earth consuming a black liquid that causes his body to disintegrate and seed the planet with his DNA. This act of creation suggests that the engineers viewed themselves as stewards of life, capable of shaping entire ecosystems through their mastery of biology. Chapter 3. The engineers' connection to humanity. Ancient star maps found across Earth's civilizations point to Lacy 223, a distant moon where the engineers established a base. These maps were interpreted by Dr. Elizabeth Shaw and Charlie Holloway as an invitation to meet humanity's creators. However, the discovery of the engineers' true intentions raises disturbing questions about their relationship with humanity. Were they benevolent guides, or did they see humanity as a failed experiment? Chapter 4. The engineers' technology. The engineers' technology is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Their installations on LV-223 are massive and biomechanical, blending organic and synthetic elements. This aesthetic reflects their mastery over biology and engineering, as well as their ability to manipulate life at its most fundamental level. A mutagenic substance capable of rewriting DNA is central to their plans, serving as both a tool for creation and a weapon of mass destruction. Chapter 5. The black liquid and its purpose. The black liquid is one of the most mysterious elements of Prometheus. When exposed to it, organisms undergo rapid and often grotesque mutations, leading to the creation of new life forms. The engineers' use of this substance suggests that they were experimenting with the boundaries of life and death. Was the black liquid intended to create new species, or was it designed to destroy existing ones? The film leaves this question unanswered, adding to the engineers' enigmatic nature. The engineers' plan for humanity. The discovery of the derelict spacecraft and the stockpiles of black liquid on LV-223 suggests that the engineers were preparing for a mission to Earth. However, the mission was abandoned, and the engineers on the moon were killed, either by their own experiments or by an external threat. This raises the possibility that the engineers had planned to destroy humanity, but something went wrong. Chapter 7. The engineers' downfall. The engineers' downfall is a key theme in Prometheus. The derelict state of their base on LV-223 and the dead engineers found there suggest that their experiments with the black liquid spiraled out of control. The holographic recordings show engineers running in terror, hinting at a catastrophic event that wiped out their outpost. This adds a layer of tragedy to their story, as they are ultimately undone by their own creations. Chapter 8. The engineers and the xenomorphs, while the xenomorphs do not appear directly in Prometheus, the film hints at their origins. The black liquid, when combined with human DNA, gives rise to a creature that resembles the iconic xenomorph in its early stages. This suggests that the engineers may have played a role in creating the xenomorphs either intentionally or as an unintended consequence of their experiments. Chapter 9. The engineer's encounter with humanity. The climax of Prometheus features a tense encounter between the surviving engineer and the human crew. The engineer's violent reaction to the humans suggests that he sees them as a threat or a failed experiment. His decision to activate the spacecraft and head for Earth raises the stakes, as it implies that the engineer's plan to destroy humanity is still in motion. Chapter 10. The engineer's legacy is one of creation and destruction, of godlike power and tragic failure. They represent the duality of creation, the potential for both beauty and horror. Their story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of playing God and the unintended consequences of tampering with life. Chapter 11. Unanswered questions. Prometheus leaves many questions about the engineers unanswered. What was their ultimate goal? Why did they create humanity only to plan its destruction? What caused the downfall of their outpost on V-223? These unanswered questions add to the mystery of the engineers and ensure that they remain a topic of fascination and speculation. Chapter 12. The engineers' place in the alien universe. The engineers are a crucial link between Prometheus and the broader alien universe. Their experiments with the black liquid and their connection to the Xenomorphs suggest that they played a key role in shaping the events of the franchise. As the creators of humanity and possibly the Xenomorphs, the engineers represent the ultimate source of both life and death in this universe. Conclusion. The engineers remain one of the most intriguing elements of the Alien and Prometheus universe. Their role as creators and destroyers raises profound questions about the nature of life, the responsibilities of creation, and the limits of power. While Prometheus provides some answers, it also leaves many questions unresolved, ensuring that the engineers will continue to captivate and mystify audiences for years to come. What do you think the engineers' true intentions were? Were they gods, scientists, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the alien universe.